My name is Nathan.
Hi, Nathan.
As well.
Speak on the mic, sir.
In the mic. Oh, my name is Nathan. My other name is Mpomelelo. I come here with Kamu. We are a money management consultancy. We specialize in providing professional skills for small and medium businesses. What we specialize in is accounting, services, tax, sales, pitch, operations management. That's pretty much broad to explain to any small business. So the simplest to say to them is that we do bookkeeping services. But beyond that, what we really do is to look into the business, look at how it's doing, and see possible solutions to its financial problems or sales problems. As we know, a lot of business came here today. They speak a lot about the idea and the product, but they don't speak much about the business model as to how they're making money and how they're satisfying their customers. Yes. So we come in to look into such things and say, okay, what are you really doing here, and are you making money from it? Myself, I'm a CA by profession. Kamu did a lot of sales and marketing work at two of the biggest banks in SA. And our other partner is, his name is Burundin, he's not here today, but he specializes in business analysis and operations management. So we're pretty much well qualified to do our work. Kamu and myself, we left our full-time job in pursuit of this career because we believe that entrepreneurship is the key to grow the economy of SA, especially looking at the current times now. Over and above that, we believe that people must not be afraid to dream and to go for the things they want. Our motto says that it's inspire, to develop, and to innovate, and we actually believe in that. We believe in people, we believe in business, and we believe in our country. I wait too. So pretty much that's who we are. I'm rushing through because I've been just given a spot to say something about our business. If you want to talk to us, you can approach Kamu. He's very good with people. I'm very good with numbers. That's how we work. So if you have any questions, I'm more than welcome to take them.